guys. For you guys, I got these, one sour cream and onion. You don't say, oh, I don't see you. You like
Daisy,
those
do
guys?
not lick my feet, please.
Okay. Wanna have?
Hey, Grandma,
Yeah.
if Papa needs help, I can help him.
Yeah, I can help you with it.
So, we up here. And then are you making a video? Yeah, I'm showing Mom and Cameron how windy it is up here. That's what happened. The wind is so powerful it blew that out.
There you go, you can share them with the
Oh, I
kids.
dropped it.
Ari,
Yeah?
share them with the kids.
Okay. Thank you.
Nice manners. I see you haven't forgot them. Whoops. Maybe Avea and,
No, thank you.
well, you're the one who picked them, didn't you?
Yeah?
But you're full.
Here, take this. For sure, right? That was on the ground.
I'll go pee.
Yeah. Stay there, relax.
Is this your sweater up there?
Yeah, it's mine.
Put it in the bedroom, please.
You want me to put our bag of clothes in there too?
Might as well.
Okay. Banana.
Yeah.
How many days are we up here for? Is it 4 or 3?
Well, you go home on your 5th day.
Able, sit
You're here,
this way.
there,
Sit this way.
there,
want to do a
and
TikTok.
then you go home. Take you home on the 25th.
Okay, so technically 4 days then.
Yeah.
4 days slow.
4.5 days.
Yeah. Like 5.5.
Ask your cheese, you can't catch me trend.
Or